Have you ever found a lost phone on the street? Imagine this. It's late at night, the city is quiet, and you see a smartphone glowing on the sidewalk. Would you pick it up? It's exactly what happens to Sarah. She finds a phone, and her curiosity gets the better of her. She starts scrolling through the photo gallery. But what she finds isn't just vacation pictures or funny memes. What she sees will change everything. At first, it all seems pretty normal. There are selfies with friends, pictures of delicious-looking food, and snapshots from a day at the beach. But then, as she keeps swiping, the mood shifts dramatically. She stops on a photo that makes her blood run cold. It's a dark, shadowy room, almost like a basement. In the center of the frame, a woman's hands are tied together. Her face is filled with terror. Sarah freezes, her heart pounding in her chest. This isn't a joke. This is real, and this is serious. Before she can even process what to do next, the phone vibrates violently in her hand. It's ringing. The screen flashes with unknown number. Her hand is shaking, but she answers the call. A deep, gravelly voice on the other end says, "I know you have my phone. Don't even think about calling the police. If you do, you will be next." The line goes dead. Sarah is terrified. The threat hangs in the air, heavy and real. What would you do in this situation? Would you listen to the warning, or would you risk it all to help a stranger? Sarah's mind races. She runs back to her small apartment, locks the door, and sinks onto her sofa. The phone feels like a ticking bomb in her hand. The man's voice echoes in her head. "You will be next." For a moment, she considers just throwing the phone away, pretending none of this ever happened. But then, the image of the terrified woman flashes in her mind. She can't ignore it. She takes a deep, steadying breath. "If I stay quiet," she whispers to herself, "someone could die.
Ow.
I have to be brave." With newfound determination, she picks up her own phone and dials 911. "Hello," she says, her voice still trembling slightly. "I need to report a crime." Just 20 minutes later, she finds herself at the police station, explaining everything to an officer. The police act fast. Using the information from the phone, they track down the location from the photos. But when they get there, the story takes a completely unexpected turn. Sarah is watching through the glass of an interrogation room as the police bring someone in. It's the woman from the photos. But here's the plot twist. She's not a victim. She's the criminal. The police found her, but she wasn't kidnapped. The entire thing was a scam. The photos were fake. All staged to look like a real kidnapping, so she could collect a hefty insurance payout. And the man who called and threatened Sarah, he was her partner in crime. Thanks to Sarah's courage, both of them were arrested. She did the right thing even when she was scared. Now let's turn this thrilling story into a quick English lesson. We saw Sarah use a few key phrases. First, pick up. This means to take something from a lower position, like when Sarah picked up the phone from the ground. Next, call the police. This is the phrase you use when you need to contact law enforcement for help in an emergency. Finally, report a crime. This means to officially tell the police about an illegal act that has happened. So you find a phone with suspicious photos. Do you pick it up? Do you call the police? Or do you report a crime? You'd probably do all three. Which phrase was new to you? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories.